for circle time, we are going to talk about the different tools that are used when you're gardening. And the first tool I want to talk about is the shovel. And a shovel can be used to dig out big holes, to help you dig out big rocks for your garden, because you don't want rocks in your garden because they'll keep your plant from growing. And the next one is called a spade. Can you say spade? And a spade is a smaller version of a shovel, and it's got a flatter blade on it. Let's see, gardening gloves. Gardening gloves. And gardening gloves are to keep your hands from getting blisters when you're using like the shovel or the spade or the pruning shears. And also if you're pulling up weeds, there might be stickers, and those gloves will keep your hands from getting stuck with the stickers. Okay, now a hand trowel. Hand trowel. Can you say hand trowel? A hand trowel is for digging out areas for the plants and filling the holes back up with the dirt. Now let's talk about a garden rake. A garden rake is used for cultivating the soil, which means turning the soil and making it soft and easier to be able to plant your seeds. A wheelbarrow. How many of you have ever seen a wheelbarrow? Well, a wheelbarrow is it's like a thing that has 3 wheels. There's 2 wheels in the back and 1 wheel in the front, and it's got these handrails that you hold and you move it like this. And you use the wheelbarrow to carry the large rocks that you get out of your garden. It carries the weeds that you get out of your garden. It can also carry your tools to the garden. Now, the watering hose. You want to use a water hose to water your plants, to water your garden. And if you have a small garden, or if you're doing plants in pots, you can use a watering can. Now, a hoe. A hoe is used to dig shallow trenches where you can plant the seeds. Garden scissors. Garden scissors are used for opening seed packets or pruning small flowers. A soil knife. A soil knife is used for digging and cutting. And pruning shears are used for cutting small limbs off of small trees. I don't know if any of you have this at your homes. I do not have any of these at my home because I do not garden. I am very black thumb, which means all the plants that I've ever planted have died. But I'm pretty sure that most, if not all of you, have a green thumb, which means you are very good at growing things. Well, I hope you enjoyed this circle time. I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.